In this video, we're revealing 20 machines coming out of Chinese manufacturing that most people in the West have never heard of, what they do, roughly what they cost, and the real opportunity behind each one. Some of these are strange. Some are brilliant. All of them are still flying under the radar. Let's get into it. A smart egg incubator that uses sensors and an app to control temperature, humidity, and turning automatically with real-time monitoring from a phone. Small units cost a few $100s. Backyard poultry and small farms are booming in the West, and most incubators sold locally are outdated, creating an opening for anyone importing these smarter units. A compact machine that strips old circuit boards and separates the tiny amounts of gold, silver, and copper hidden inside them. Technology normally locked away in industrial e-waste recycling plants, now available with mountains of electronic waste being thrown out every year. This machine turns something people pay to get rid of into a source of real, sellable precious metal. One of the most surprising hidden money machines on this entire list. A compact machine that hauls and polishes rice in one pass, small enough to sit on a countertop. Popular in Asian markets, but almost unseen in Western small farm circles. For anyone growing or sourcing small batches of specialty rice, this machine turns raw grain into a sellable product without outsourcing. A compact machine that mixes, kneads, and cuts fresh noodles in minutes, used across Chinese street food stalls, but rarely seen in Western restaurants or home food businesses. Fresh pasta and noodle businesses have strong margins, and a machine like this removes the most labor-intensive part of the process. A small machine that folds and forms custom cardboard boxers on demand. Normally something only large packaging companies have access to. Small e-commerce sellers and local businesses constantly need custom packaging in small runs, a niche most big-box manufacturers ignore. A small machine that folds and forms custom cardboard boxers on demand. Normally something only large packaging companies have access to. Small e-commerce sellers and local businesses constantly need custom packaging in small runs, a niche most big-box manufacturers ignore. A machine used to test and sort used lithium battery cells by health and capacity. Critical for anyone getting into battery recycling or refurbished power banks. With demand for recycled lithium batteries rising fast, this machine sits at the entry point of a genuinely emerging industry. A compact extruder that turns raw ingredients into floating fish feed pellets. Standard equipment on Chinese aquaculture farms, almost unknown to small Western fish farmers. Anyone running a small aquaculture operation can cut feed costs dramatically by producing pellets in-house instead of buying commercial feed. A machine that peels large volumes of garlic in minutes using compressed air, a staple in Chinese food processing, virtually unused by small Western food businesses. Restaurants and food producers pay a premium for pre-peeled garlic. This machine turns a tedious task into a sellable product line. A press that compresses sawdust, straw, or agricultural waste into solid fuel briquettes common across rural China, largely unseen in Western small business circles. With rising interest in sustainable fuel alternatives, this machine turns waste material that's normally discarded into a sellable product. A machine that wraps and seals dumplings automatically, producing hundreds per hour standard in Chinese food factories, almost never seen in Western commercial kitchens. Frozen dumplings and similar handmade-style foods are a fast-growing category in Western grocery stores, and most producers still do this by hand. A compact desktop machine that mills and drills printed circuit boards directly from a design file. normally something only larger electronics manufacturers use. Hobbyist electronics and small hardware startups are a growing market, and most currently wait weeks for PCBs shipped from overseas factories. A machine designed to slice roots and herbs into consistent, thin pieces for traditional medicine and tea production, deeply established in China, essentially unknown in Western herbal product businesses. As interest in herbal teas and natural remedies grows in Western markets, this machine solves a processing bottleneck almost nobody else has addressed. A small-scale lamination machine used to assemble solar panels from raw cells, normally only found in large factories, now available in scaled-down versions. With solar demand climbing, small batch or custom solar panel assembly is a niche almost nobody outside major manufacturers has entered. A machine that shreds bread into fine, uniform crumbs for food production. A staple in Asian food manufacturing, rarely used by small Western bakeries or food producers. Specialty breadcrumb products for restaurants and packaged food brands represent an niche with steady commercial demand. A machine that shreds bread into fine, uniform crumbs for food production. A staple in Asian food manufacturing, rarely used by small Western bakeries or food producers. Specialty breadcrumb products for restaurants and packaged food brands represent an niche with steady commercial demand. A compact machine that cleans and sorts feathers and down for use in bedding and outdoor gear. A core part of Chinese textile manufacturing, virtually unheard of as a small business tool in the West for anyone sourcing feathers locally from poultry farms. This machine turns waste material into a raw material for the bedding and outerwear industry. A machine that evenly coats screens with emulsion for screen printing, dramatically improving consistency over manual coating standard in Chinese print shops. Rarely used by small Western print businesses. For anyone already running a screen printing business, this machine solves one of the most inconsistent error-prone steps in the process. A compact machine that shreds and processes old rubber tires, mats, scraps into reusable granules, common in Chinese recycling operations, rarely available at small scale in the West. With sustainability regulations tightening, small-scale rubber recycling is a niche opportunity most small businesses haven't discovered yet. A compact machine that processes soybeans into fresh tofu in a single automated cycle. Extremely common across China, almost entirely absent from Western small food businesses. Plant-based protein demand is rising fast in Western markets, and fresh, locally made tofu is still a rare product outside large commercial producers. A machine that rolls and glues paper straws, automatically built in direct response to plastic straw bans. Still relatively unknown as a small business opportunity in the West, with plastic straw restrictions expanding across more regions. Local paper straw production is a genuine, low-competition opportunity. A machine that fills and packs growing substrate bags for mushroom cultivation. Standard equipment in Chinese mushroom farms, almost unused by small Western growers who still fill bags by hand. Gourmet and medicinal mushroom cultivation is one of the fastest-growing niche agriculture businesses, and this machine removes its most labor-intensive step, the most surprising find on this list. A compact extruder that turns simple ingredients like corn or rice into puffed snacks, chips, curls, cereal shapes in a continuous automated process, normally only found in large snack factories. This single machine lets someone produce an entire private label snack line from a home workshop, competing directly with products that normally require a factory contract. It's the machine with the biggest gap between how few people know about it and how large the opportunity actually is, which is exactly why it's number one. approx. Last 45 seconds. Those are 20 machines quietly shaping small manufacturing in China. Almost none of them have made their way into mainstream Western business content. Yet that gap is exactly where the opportunity is. The earlier you move on a machine like this, the less competition you'll face. If this opened your eyes to a few ideas, subscribe to BizBox Global. We track machines and business opportunities like this every week. Tell me in the comments which one surprised you the most. See you in the next video. Most of the machines in this video can be found on made-in-china.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to look into any of them.